Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, make sure your volume is all the way up. Press the volume button on the side of your iPhone. Also check that the silent switch above the volume button, if it's orange, your phone is in silent, so flip it back. After that, sometimes dust or lint block the sound. You can use a soft toothbrush or a dry cotton swab or a piece of tape to gently clean the speaker holes at the bottom. Do not use anything sharp. After that, open up your settings application, then tap on Bluetooth. Make sure it is off. If Bluetooth is on, your phone might be sending sounds to a speaker or headphones instead of your iPhone speaker. After that, head back to settings, scroll below, then tap on sound and haptics. Now make sure ringtones and alert volume is turned off. Also go ahead and simply scroll below, tap on Headphone Safety, and make sure your reduce loud sound is turned off if it's limiting your speaker volume. So after that, sometimes it's better to simply restart your mobile device. It may be a glitch, so simply turn your mobile device, wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. After that, head back to settings again, tap on general, tap on software updates, and then you have to make sure that your software is up to date. And that's it. Try these tests and your iPhone speaker should sound loud and clear again. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.